Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is just afternoon in Honolulu, 5 o'clock in New York on Wednesday, Fed Day, the 18th day of December 2024, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver.
Good afternoon. My colleagues and I remain squarely focused on achieving our dual mandate goals of maximum employment and stable prices for the benefit of the American people. The economy is strong overall and has made significant progress toward our goals over the past 2 years. To that end, today, the Federal Open Market Committee decided to take another step in reducing the degree of policy restraint by lowering our policy interest rate by a 1/4 percentage point. In our summary of economic projections, committee participants generally expect GDP growth to remain solid, with a median projection of about 2% over the next few years. Inflation has eased significantly over the past 2 years, but remains somewhat elevated relative to our 2% longer-run goal. Our monetary policy actions are guided by our dual mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. At today's meeting, the committee decided to lower the target range for the federal funds rate by a 1/4 percentage point to 4.25% to 4.5%. In our summary of economic projections, FOMC participants wrote down their individual assessments of an appropriate path for the federal funds rate, based on what each participant judges to be the most likely scenario going forward.
While a rate cut of 25 basis points was factored into current pricing, it was their summary of economic projections that caused traders to take gold, silver, and U.S. equities dramatically lower, with gold breaking below $2,600, both gold futures as well as spot gold. Silver broke below $30 and is trading at $29.80 and took the dollar from about 107 to above 108 on the dollar index. This, the 30-minute chart of COMEX gold futures, clearly shows that gold was trading fairly steadily above $2,600 at around $2,650 prior to the release of the Federal Reserve statement that occurred at 2 o'clock. You can see on this 30-minute chart that gold dropped from about $2,651 prior to the release of the statement, and then on a half-hour basis dropped tremendously. The first drop was about $20, followed by another $20 drop. The selling pressure continued throughout the entire trading session. We saw that gold broke right to $2,600. This is basis the most active February contract. In Australia, gold is up just a little bit, but in terms of levels of support, the first level has got to be $2,590. It is based upon the real body here, as well as the tops that came right in here, with major support not occurring till approximately $2,565 and is based upon the low that came in on Thursday, November the 14th. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.